Hi there, welcome to our channel. So up till now we have seen ASUS launch 3 ROG phones, namely the ROG Phone, ROG Phone 2 and ROG Phone 3. Now the next one should obviously be the ROG Phone 4, right? But no, apparently it will be named ROG Phone 5. And the reason behind that is the number 4 is considered as a bad omen in some Asian countries. And various smartphone OEMs are known for skipping the number 4 in the model numbers and moniker of their devices. This suggests that it may break cover as the ROG Phone 5. However, it is worth noting that the ASUS ROG Phone 5 moniker is nowhere near an official confirmation for now, and it is mere speculations based on the model number available on the benchmark. Yes, we are talking about the Geekbench and HTML5 benchmark listings. We can see the model number ASUS i005DA and ASUS i005DB has popped up on these benchmarking platforms. For reference, the model number of ROG Phone 3 was ASUS i003DA, so they are pretty close. The new ROG Phone's HTML5 platform doesn't reveal much, but the Geekbench listing reveals that it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile chipset. The SoC is coupled with 8GB of RAM and it is preloaded with Android 11 OS, which is hardly a surprise. Anyways, it's too early to say anything about this device. The ROG Phone 3 was announced in July of 2020, so there is still time for ROG Phone 5 to launch. But still, there's hope that they may launch it early, as Samsung is already launching its flagship 1 month earlier and OnePlus is also considering the same. So Samsung Galaxy A72, which appeared in late September, was said to come with a total of 6 cameras, with 5 of them on the back and 1 on the front. Now another leak has surfaced, credits to Vietnamese leaker Chun, who says that the phone may come with 1 less camera. The new leak doesn't say which sensor has been removed, but the first leak from September says that the phone has a 64 megapixel primary lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, a 5 megapixel macro lens, and a 5 megapixel depth lens. If Samsung is going to remove a sensor, then it is either the macro or depth sensor. And our guess is that the depth sensor will be removed since there is already a telephoto lens available. There is still a lot we don't know about this device, but we expect more details will surface in the weeks leading up to its launch. Nevertheless, it will be an excellent phone. It's expected to come with Exynos 1080 processor, which is a powerhouse. We also expect it to run Android 11 out of the box with One UI 3.0 and a battery that supports 25W fast charging. So that's all for today. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.